This is WP Living with a free WordPress theme review, and I'm very excited about this one. I see so many themes on a daily basis that it's pretty hard to get excited anymore. But from time to time, you come across things that just tend to shake things up. They just change the picture for whatever reason. And this is one of those occasions, and I'm really pleased to introduce it to you. It's by a company or a website called 90four.com. Check them out. And the theme itself is called Bunker. And I'm going to take a look at the presentation page for Bunker. First of all, it is a minimal and responsive theme, and there's no question about its minimalism and the fact that it is responsive. It works well across different platforms. That's brilliant. It's a huge plus. Otherwise, other features includes threaded comments, highlighted author comments, which is a nice little touch, featured image function, so when you're composing a post, you just click on the featured image link in the post composition screen, and you can upload an image, and that will appear, as you'll see in a moment, on the front page, the portfolio page of this site. It has built-in pagination, and yes, as he says, of course, it's widgetized. It's free to use in any way you want. Basically, it's completely open. Great. Well, let's just get into the demo because I think the images speak for themselves. I love this. I mean, there's been a trend in these kind of grid themes, right? I mean, the last year, 2 years, it's kind of been trendy to release these, these 4 or 5 columns of thumbnails and then some text underneath. It's kind of done and done and done, but this theme just captures something of that kind of design. It just does it very simply. This is ultra minimal, but it just does it so well. It's just the layout, the spacing. It is quite symmetrical at the same time, but there's a beauty to that symmetry, to that logic, and I really like the front page. A little hover over effect on the images, very nice, and the date appears and the name of the post. So these are all WordPress single posts here on display. There's no difficulty in posting to this theme, no complications of different categories and post types to deal with. See, a lot of other portfolio, the premium portfolio templates I look at, a lot of them have really nice kind of bells and whistles, a lot going on, but it really does demand a steep learning curve oftentimes, right? You have to kind of spend a week just getting used to it. This is a kind of theme, a couple of hours, even less, and you're up and running. So let's have a look at how one of these front page posts work. I'm going to click on Best of RG. It will take me to the single post view, which in this case the image is not attached here, but you'll see in other cases it is. And all you have are 3 elements to the main page, the main single post content. You have the title reiterated on the left with the timestamp here. You have the content at the center. You have the you can click through to the previous post here at the bottom. You've got tags and categories listed here. You've got the threaded comments with highlighted author comment, which is nice to differentiate the author from general comments, and then a widgetized sidebar here. The one thing that really I don't like about this theme, but would be very easy to remedy, is the font size. I find it just too small for my liking. I kind of understand where it's coming from in terms of design and minimalism, but I think that's a little step too far. But that could easily be remedied just bumping up the font size. Let's go back to the front page and have a look at another post, one that has an image included. Here we are. So here you get a sense of the portfolio/blog. Kind of, it's in between. You could use this easily as a portfolio website or easily as a blog with its posts organized in this kind of grid fashion. It works both ways, and that's what I like about it. So you could even set up a separate section for portfolio and blog and do it that way if you wanted to. Otherwise, it has simple pages. Let's have a look at a simple page view. This is a sample page. Again, the title here. No comments this time, and right at the bottom you can see another widgetized area, the extended footer here, and then right below, unfortunately not in the frame here, but right below is just the copyright information. And that's it. That's as simple as it gets. It's elegant, it's clean, it's minimal, it's sophisticated, it speaks Swiss design, it's very kind of Helvetica, and it just showcases your work very nicely. As I said, I'm quite passionate about this theme. It's free. It's from a reputable designer, so no problems with codes and malicious scripts. Use it with confidence. Yeah, showcase your work and get it done. Great stuff. Stay tuned for more WordPress theme reviews, and I'll be looking at more free themes and premium themes. I'll be doing some different things in the near future. So stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the videos on YouTube if you like them, and hook up with me on various social media sites. And basically, you can find me on the following. You can find me on Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook, and you can subscribe here by clicking this little email icon to this blog and all the posts. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.